Come test drive 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, one owner, center armrest, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.